Hey everyone, just wanted to provide you with a quick update on my worm bin and some new changes coming to my channel. So first off, with my worm bin, I discovered that my worms are huge banana fans. I know that they tend to like squishy things like melons and bananas, but this is my first time seeing it, and yeah, it's just amazing to see how they just flock to them. I also have these whole Brussels sprouts from when my family visited. They aren't decomposing as well, but they are growing root systems, which the worms seem to like. So next you're gonna see the worms a couple weeks after I put the bananas in. It's kinda gross. I don't remember there being these many juvenile worms when I first started this bin, so I think I'm gonna have to start a second bin just because there's so many worms now. So yeah, that's pretty much my update for my worm bin. Lots of baby worms, pretty gross. As far as my channel goes, I just got some new equipment, so I'm gonna start making some videos explaining the different disabilities that I have. Some of you may have seen that series of videos that I did with Cut here in Seattle about invisible disabilities, so just wanted to take the time to kind of explain those further. I've been battling a cold for like the past month, so hopefully I'll get those up soon. In the meantime, let me know if you have any questions, and thanks for watching!